Having trouble activating EA Sports FC 26 EA Play Pro Edition? You're not alone. This issue often pops up because of problems with your EA account and how it connects to the EA servers. Basically, your game needs to verify that you have a valid EA Play Pro subscription. If there's a mismatch in your account data, a server hiccup, or even just a temporary internet blip, you might see the "we could not activate" error. This is especially common after FC 26 launch due to the high volume of players trying to access the game. Don't worry, we'll walk through some fixes. Key takeaway: account verification is essential, and server issues are common reasons for this error. First, let's double check your EA account details. Make sure your email is verified and your subscription is active. This is often the root cause of activation issues. Next, restart the EA app and your computer. A simple reboot often resolves temporary glitches that block activation. Clear the EA app's cache to remove any corrupted files that might be causing problems. This refreshes the app without affecting your games. Temporarily disable any antivirus software or firewalls, as these can sometimes block the activation process. Remember to re-enable them after troubleshooting. If issues persist, try relinking your EA account to your gaming platform like Steam, Origin, or the EA app. This refreshes the connection. As a last resort, check EA's server status page at ea.com/status for any known outages. A VPN might help in some instances if it's a regional issue. Remember to always check the EA forums or Reddit communities for solutions from other players who may have encountered and resolved the same problem. Key takeaway: basic troubleshooting, like checking your account and restarting, plus verifying server status, are your first steps to fixing EA account activation failures.